Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the F1TV Error Code BM2013. The error reads, Video Error. Sorry, we have encountered an error. Please try again later. As per our research, the error comes when users try to stream content using AirPlay. While streaming on a computer works fine, enabling AirPlay causes the stream to end and shows this error on the screen. According to our research, the error is likely related to AirPlay compatibility issues or device syncing problems. First, try logging out of your F1TV account. Then restart your device. After that, relaunch the F1TV app, log in again, and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then go to the F1TV website and log into your account. Then, remove all devices from your account. Then try logging in again on your device and check for the error. If you still have the error, then try connecting your laptop directly to the TV using an HDMI cable. Or try casting from another device to see if it works. If none of these work, then the issue is likely on F1TV's end. Wait for some time and try again. Meanwhile, try using F1TV from a different device. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.